Welcome to this video about ABB Building Edge. In this video, we will look at field networks. Building Edge aims to collect all the technological information of a building, whatever its function, brand, or feature. The major functions are supported, such as HVAC, multi-sensors, lighting, shading, and metering devices. To do this, it works on field networks, that is, networks of automated devices that communicate information through what are known as protocols. Let's say that openBOS needs to manage the different major functions in a building. HVAC needs the BACnet protocol for new projects, and the LonWorks protocol for legacy. Electrical needs the KNX protocol and some Modbus protocols, either over IP or in a twisted pair. Metering needs the Modbus protocol for electrical, gas, and water meters. The LoRa sensors can be fetched via an external gateway connected to the MQTT protocol. openBOS can manage all these protocols. For each protocol, users may define the IP port or serial port where the protocol runs. They may also configure the protocol settings for that network, with either a standard configuration or advanced settings. Moreover, users may import the list and configuration of all the products connected and the associated points users may read or write. openBOS manages interoperable protocol databases, such as ETS for KNX, LNS for LonWorks, and EDE for BACnet. Moreover, Building Edge is capable of managing multiple instances of the same protocol. It can, for example, manage two independent KNX networks, one for lights and windows, and another for alarms and blinds. Let's see how this works in the tool. Click Field Networks. Here you see the field networks being used. Click Add Field Network and select the protocol for the new network. Note that networks are named after their respective protocols by default, but you can edit their names as you wish. Within the settings of each network, you can edit the network name as needed. You can also choose to simulate the field network to test the configuration without connecting to physical hardware. Click Advanced Properties to define these below. In addition to simple and straightforward network configuration, openBOS offers advanced programming for experts. Advanced configuration depends on the protocol and lets you fine-tune protocol arguments for a tailor-made installation if requested. For a BACnet protocol network, click Devices. All the standard databases and protocol mechanisms are supported. Here in BACnet, you may scan a network, import an EDE file, or export and import CSV files. You may also search for specific devices when the database is large. Under Actions, click the pencil icon of any device to view its associated data points. Standard data types for each protocol are supported, such as objects in BACnet, DPTs in KNX, and snivets in LonWorks. Users may also rename the devices and data points for better reference in the tool as necessary. For a KNX protocol network, click Group Addresses. Here you can import an XML file to view the list of group addresses. For each protocol, the file format to import is the standard one for that protocol. Each network will display different settings and lists depending on its protocol. Here you have the standard representation of the configuration tool, in this case, ETS.